In this video, we will show the best combo sets available to buy. At number 10. The Face Shop Travel Kit. The Face Shop Travel Kit comes with an attractive free pouch which contains the best sellers that are formulated with the natural ingredients. At number 9. Kama Ayurveda Floral Mist, Pure Rosewater. An incredible facial toner and natural astringent, balances and restores skin's pH level and helps tighten pores. Acts as the perfect alcohol-free toner. At number 8. McCaffeine Combo Set. It exfoliates dead skin cells and helps get rid of blackheads, tan and impurities. It polishes the skin and deep cleanses your pores. At number 7. Kaya Clinic Advance Acne Care. It cleanses the pores from deep within, removing excess oil, dirt, and impurities. Toner gently exfoliates and helps unclog pores. At number 6. Lakme Light and Night Cream Kit. It is enriched with microcrystals and skin lightening vitamins that gives your skin a crystal radiance. This cream is ideal for removing tan from your skin and giving it a lighter and clearer tone. At number 5. Aroma Magic Dry Skin Essentials Kit. It provides the right resolution and delivers gorgeous, immaculate skin. It cleanses and nourishes the skin and dissolving surface impurities and makeup. At number 4. Olay Day and Night Regime. It offers advanced whitening skincare products that penetrate to the bottom cell layers for bright luminous fairness, help your skin fairness and radiance. At number 3. Neutrogena Dry Skin Care Kit. It is a revolutionary, dermatologist-tested formula. It provides superior balanced broad-spectrum protection against skin aging, UVA and burning UVB rays. At number 2. Garnier Light Complete Serum Cream, Fairness Serum Cream that gives spotless, brighter skin in 1 week. It reduces 3 types of spots, dark spots, UV spots, and pimple spots. At number 1. Khadi Natural Travel Kit. Khadi Natural Herbal Travel Kit contains the goodness of nature that helps you keep your hair and skin healthy and beautiful.